So friends, in this video I'm going to share the latest price of kitchen utensil rack designs and their beautiful advantages. A steel and utensil rack, particularly which are made from stainless steels, which offers several benefits like durable and strength because they are built to last, which supports heavy loads like pans, pots and utensils without bending or the breaking. And in this which are used the high grade steel, which are the stainless steel, and it is rust and corrosion resistance, which stainless steel prevents rust even in the humid or the wet environments, which make them an ideal for drying wet or utensils which we use regularly near the sink. And another one advantages is that it is space saving design, so wall mounted or over sink options free up the counter and cabinet space with features like hooks, shelves and removable parts for versatile storage. And also they are easy to maintain because it is simple to clean, dishwasher safe in many cases and promote the airflow to prevent the moisture buildup. And even the sleek finishes like matte or chrome complement which modern the kitchens, while customizable hooks and shelves suit the various utensil types. So friends, the price vary based on the size, features and brand, typically ranging from 700 rupees for the basic compact models to 3000 for the larger one, which are multi-tier wall mounted or heavy duty racks. So if you want the simple stainless steel spice or utensil stands, starts from 700 rupees. Dish drainers or Bartan stands with the multiple sections are about which prices are 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees. And the premium wall mounted organized can reach to even 2000 to 3000. So you can check out the price on the Flipkart, which